recent data, 498,000 yung affected sa Visayas because of Typhoon Pino. So, this is just Cebu. Cebu's prepared, pero sana wala ng bagyo, no? Kasi kawawa. They had 48 casualties for this calamity. Every lives matter. So guys, as you can see, sobrang ready ng Cebu. Very efficient sila. Kasi nakasort out na yung goods na kailangan. So for instance, see, water's on this side, quick meals on this side, other items on this side. So earlier, if you see, ready na yung trucks for dispatch. Slide. Sir, ilang kilo yan? 5 kilos. Per family, 5 kilos.
Yes.
Wow. Ready. Ito, iba pa to sa DSWD na kits, no? Iba to, no? So, ganito ka-prepared ang province of Cebu. Meron silang sariling stocks for distribution on a per family basis. So, ito yung food kit nila. Iba pa to sa binibigay ng national government. So, kompleto sila sa dilata. May kape, may bigas. So, yan. So, kita nyo. Right now, we're studying how Cebu is responding to everything. Kasi, in the past 100 days, parang ilang calamities na from lindol to typhoon, and then another one coming this Friday. Sana matigil na, no? Kasi nakakapagod din. Always nagre-recover.